Hey everybody, today's video I'm going to be talking to you about 6 signs of depression in a teenager. This is a must watch, so stay tuned. Sign number 1. Something in therapist lingo called anhedonia, which means in layman terms is losing or not having an interest in aspects of your life that we've enjoyed before. Here's an example. Annmarie is on social media constantly. She spends hours on these social media platforms chatting with friends, posting pictures, putting thoughts and updates up, and linking maybe funny videos and especially puppy memes to them. She reads everything that her friends post and writes a lot of comments on them. And then Annmarie goes into this depressed mood. She starts posting about how bad she feels. She doesn't care too much about what other people's updates are and what they post about, and almost never comments on them. Annmarie also stays offline from chatting. This is an example of a teenager who has lost all interest in something that gives her great pleasure in a normal mood. Sign number 2, irritability. And this is a sign that can have a lot to do with the other signs that I'm going to cover today in today's video. Because when our sleeping and eating patterns are off and our family or friends say something, or maybe they don't say anything at all to you, it can cause some frustration, a feeling that you can be set off literally by anything. Number 3, rapid weight loss or gain. This is a sign not to be associated with an eating disorder, because that is a total separate conversation. This is if you've had a consistent normal diet and eating pattern, and now it's to a point where you find yourself eating all day, to a point where maybe you even are having that sick feeling, or if you can't even find anything that's even appealing to smell, let alone eat. This could be associated with the depressed mood, and it's one of the first noticeable, visible signs. Number 4, suicide or suicide attempts, or the preoccupation with death and dying. This is directly related to our thoughts and feelings, that we are really feeling badly, so we may think of the worst. To end it all, it would be so much better without all of this pain and depression. That's a common thought. If suicide is something that you're struggling with currently, please do not wait. Call 911, go to the nearest hospital, because safety is first. Number 5, the change in behavior, like being more rebellious, sudden drop in grades, skipping school, forgetting obligations, being late for practice or school, or the use of alcohol or drugs, and maybe an interest in promiscuous activity. And the 6th and final sign of depression are really non-visible to the eye because they are symptoms that are felt in our body, like headaches, back pain, stomach aches, really achy everywhere. The reason this is a sign of depression because we've sought medical attention for these symptoms and they're still present. Nothing relieves the pain or aches that we feel. We just feel the same. Now we know these are not only the signs and symptoms of depression, right? Because we are all different and we all experience all aspects of our own life in a unique way. But the most amazing thing to know is depression, there's help out there for it. This is not something that has to consume your life. Depression is a fightable thing, and if you fight with the right individuals, you will come out as the person that you want to be. So that's the end of another Mind Your Health Friday for me, but it doesn't have to end the conversation. It doesn't have to stop here. So comment below and receive the support you need about anything at all regarding mental health. Join our community by subscribing to my channel to see all the different types of topics to help you, and of course to spread the awareness of how important it is to take care of you. Until next time.